Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jyoti Bala. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this session, let's find out what are the signs of high quality journals. As you know, high quality journal exhibit several key characteristics that indicate their credibility and reliability in academic and research community. So here are the prime sign of a high quality journal, which are quite important if you are planning to publish your research data and articles. The number one sign is scientific rigor. High quality journal publishes research that demonstrates strong scientific methods, including clear study design, robust data analysis, and comprehensive discussion. Articles should be well structured and adhere to a high standard of research integrity. The next one is peer review process. A transparent and rigorous peer review process is essential. Reputable journal discloses their peer review criteria, selection of reviewers, and handling of conflict of the interest, thus ensuring that submitted work is critically evaluated by experts in the field. The next point is editorial quality. The presence of well-written article free from grammatical error and inconsistencies indicates strong editorial oversight. A high-quality journal often features editorial from established experts, reflecting the journal commitment to the excellence. Additionally, reputation and indexing. High-quality journals are often indexed in a major database such as Web of Science, Corpus, which enhances their visibility and credibility. Journals with the high impact factor are generally regarded as more prestigious within their field. It is important to have an ethical standard. A commitment to ethical publishing practices is crucial. Quality journal also provide clear guidelines on plagiarism, conflict of interest, and research involving human or animal subject, adhering to the established ethical standards like those set by COPE, Committee on Publication Ethics. Additionally, established editorial board. An editorial board composed of recognized experts in the relevant field is a strong indicator of journal quality. The board should have clear affiliation with reputable institution and also provide contact information for transparency. Moreover, publication history. Journals with a long-standing publication history are generally more reliable. Factors such as frequency of publication, number of articles published annually, and consistent editorial policy contribute to their reputation. Few more significant points are accessibility and open access option. Many high-quality journals also offer open access options, making research widely available. They should also provide clear information about publication fee, any associated cost for author, along with that, comprehensive author guideline. A quality journal provides detailed author guidelines that assist researchers in preparing their manuscript according to the specific formatting and submission requirement. And lastly, archiving practice. Adherence to the best practices in archiving ensure that published content remain accessible over time. Participation in archiving initiatives like logs and clocks is a positive sign. By considering these indicators, researchers, students, and scientists can make informed decisions when selecting a journal for publication, thus ensuring their work reaches to appropriate audience and maintain a high academic standard. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and do share these information among your scientific and below. Thank you.